I can literally people can say that I can count 2 best friends. I have about 8 best friends. He loves sulking at times with me. I love sulking with him in return. We are like in a certain way on set husband and wife, and that's what friendship is. हर असली दोस्ती के लिए you don't have to have conversation every day.
Tarun, welcome to Movie Fight.
It's nice to be here. It's good to chat with you all.
Same here. And the first question to you is that one feeling right now जो आपके अंदर ऐसे आ रही है before the release of Houseful 5, क्या है वो फीलिंग?
इस वक्त तो कोई फीलिंग नहीं है, बस ये है कि भाग रहे कि ये खत्म करो, वो खत्म करो, ये खत्म करो, वो खत्म करो, तो वही फीलिंग चल रही है अभी. तो ये नहीं है कि अभी ओ शिट रिलीज होने वाली है, ये बस है कि काम खत्म होना है, उतना ही है इस वक्त.
ओके. एंड देयर इज दिस टर्म कॉल्ड कॉमेडी. ऑब्वियसली फिल्म्स की जब बात होती है तो कॉमेडी है, रोम कॉम है, बट कॉमेडी मर्डर मिस्ट्री, व्हाट इज दिस?
तो हम सब ने एक नई डायरेक्शन ट्राई की है कॉल्ड अ किलर कॉमेडी. व्हाट वी आर कॉलिंग अ किलर कॉमेडी, कि उसमें हम कॉमेडी भी कैसे कर सकते हैं और एक मर्डर मिस्ट्री भी डाल सकते हैं. तो एक नया सा सोच किया है स्क्रिप्ट राइटिंग के टाइम. ये साजिद सर का आइडिया था काफ़ी टाइम के पास. वो चाह रहे थे कि एक ऐसी पिक्चर बने और फाइनली हाउसफुल 5 के लिए ये फिट हो गई और हम लोग ने कुछ ट्राई किया नया. तो होपफुली एक नया सा एक जॉनर बन जाए, क्योंकि हॉरर कॉमेडी बन चुका है.
Correct.
तो अभी शायद एक किलर कॉमेडी भी बन जाए.
Okay, so we will wait for that. Killer, and it's going to be Killer, the film.
I'm fingers crossed. Fingers crossed.
Yes. And talking about Tarun, tell me, what took Tarun so long to be back on the set?
I think it's life. It just takes its own time, and nothing. What's meant to be for you will always be for you. So after Drive happened, then there was COVID. We lost 2 years just in COVID, and immediately after that I started Houseful. So we've taken, हमने कुछ 1.5 साल लिए हैं स्क्रिप्ट के लिए, और उसके बाद शूटिंग के लिए, अभी पोस्ट के लिए. तो टाइम निकल जाता है और 2-3 साल निकल जाते हैं, आपको पता भी नहीं चलता कि 3 साल गुजर चुके हैं. एंड जब आप पीछे देखते हो तब और शिट, पिछली पिक्चर 2019 में आई थी, अब 25 में आ रही है. बट दैट्स जस्ट लाइफ, एंड एज लॉन्ग एज यू एंजॉयिंग व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, इट डजंट मैटर.
और इस बीच में सबसे ज्यादा तरुण ने किस चीज को मिस किया इन सालों में?
आई थिंक बीइंग ऑन सेट द मोस्ट, बट द राइटिंग इटसेल्फ, कि इतना मजा आया राइटिंग के टाइम कि वो वाली फीलिंग उस वक्त तो थी नहीं कि एक दिन ये शूट भी करना है. उस वक्त ही हम लोग राइट करते हैं, ये करते हैं, वो करते हैं, कास्टिंग होगा, ये होगा. तो उस वक्त आप कितने ऑक्यूपाइड हो कि आप सोचते ही नहीं हो कि मैं सेट पे नहीं हूँ, मेरी पिक्चर नहीं रिलीज हुई है. और अगर आप ऐसे भी सोचते रहोगे कि मेरी पिक्चर नहीं आ रही है, मेरी पिक्चर नहीं आ रही है, आ रही है भाई, जब आएगी आएगी. कौन सी ये जल्दी क्या है हर चीज़ के लिए.
सो इंडस्ट्री में पेशेंस बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है.
वेरी मच. हर चीज़ के लिए आपको पेशेंस रखना पड़ता है, चाहे वो राइटिंग के लिए हो, कास्टिंग के लिए हो, फंडिंग के लिए हो, या छोटी सी चीज़ जैसे कॉस्ट्यूम हो, या कुछ भी हो. टाइम लगता है. अच्छा कुछ बनाना हो, टाइम लगता है. टाइम है हमारे पास, कोई जल्दी नहीं.
हाउसफुल 5 कैसे हुई थी?
हाउसफुल 5 एक्चुअली साजिद सर का ही आइडिया था पूरा. उन्होंने एक दिन मुझे कॉल किया और मुझे बुलाया, और मेरा पहला रिएक्शन था कि क्या मैं सही हूँ इस फ्रेंचाइज के लिए, क्योंकि पहली फ्रेंचाइज है जो पार्ट 5 तक पहुँची है. इट इज कम्स विथ इट्स ओन रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड इट्स ओन thing to the audience that I am going to give them Houseful that they want.
Right.
And he said, don't worry, I believe in you, let's start. और हो गई.
And what's the most fun part of shooting Houseful 5?
I think the most fun part about it all was having this kind of a star cast. When you have 19 big actors coming to your set every day, and you arrive on set and half the place is just covered in makeup vans, and you're wondering कि किसका makeup van किधर है. तो वी यूज्ड टू क्रैक जोक्स ऑन द सेट कि मुझे गूगल मैप्स दे दो ताकि मुझे पता तो चले कौन कहाँ पे है. दैट वे.
And what's the one most challenging part as a director when you are doing such a huge film with multi-star cast?
I think the challenging part is to be able to satisfy every star's fans, right? If you have taken such a big cast, there has to be a reason for it. It can't be just for names. You have to justify their presence in the film. तो हर एक आदमी, हर एक स्टार का फैन पूछेगा मुझसे कि अरे इस स्टार को क्यों लिया जब आपने उसको अच्छा रोल ही नहीं दिया. तो वो राइटिंग स्टेज से हमें पता था कि अगर हम किसी को लेने वाले हैं, दे हैव टू बी जस्टिफाइड इन दिस फिल्म। और उस वक्त वो चैलेंज हमेशा रहता है कि स्टार को वो रोल मिले जिसकी वजह से वो उसे लगे कि मैं इस फिल्म में होना चाहता हूँ, ये नहीं कि मैं अपना नाम दे रहा हूँ उस पिक्चर को बस।
Okay, and talking about you from Dostana to Drive and now Houseful 5. So, if I ask you that one thing which keeps Tarun going, like काफी gaps हुए इन फिल्मों के बीच में. So, what was that one thing which kept you going?
I think it's family and friends. The family that always has your back. चाहे जो हो जाए वो है आपके साथ. वो friends जो आप बचपन से जानते हो, 4 साल की उम्र से आज तक, जो चाहे अच्छे दिन हो बुरे दिन हो जो भी हो, they are with you, they are laughing with you, they are laughing at your jokes, they are laughing at you also for all the madness, all the things that you are going through, and they don't make it feel like it's the end of the world. They let you know that एक और दिन आएगा, ये भी निकल जाएगा, बुरे दिन चल रहे निकल जाएंगे, अच्छे दिन आए वो भी निकल जाएंगे, बुरे दिन वापस आ जाएंगे. It's great to have that, and I've been very, very, very blessed to have. I can literally, people can say that I can count 2 best friends. I have about 8 best friends who are absolutely honest with me, who have been with me since childhood, and I have that. That's my wealth, and that wealth has taken me through.
And would you like to name them?
Lots of them. So if I miss a few, there's Sameer Kanani, Sejal Kanani, Shefali Choksi, Amit Kaushal, Vandana Puri. Then there is Priyanka Chopra. There is how many am I missing now? Raj Nayak, Sameer Gandhi from my school. There are so many of them that I'm just surrounded by love and people who support me no matter what.
And what is that one thing which you actually think before choosing a script? Because you have been so selective in your, when we talk about your filmography. So,
I think it's something that, is there something different in it that is going to excite me? If you take दोस्ताना, उसमें एक अलग बात थी, उसकी सेक्सुअलिटी के बारे में थी. दोस्ती की फिल्में बहुत बनी है, सेक्सुअलिटी पे बहुत कम. अच्छा, इसमें कुछ एक्साइटिंग है. आप ड्राइव ले लो, तो मैंने कभी एक्शन किया नहीं था, तो फॉर मी इट वाज एक्साइटिंग कि अच्छा गाड़ियाँ हैं, गाड़ियाँ परफॉर्म तो नहीं कर सकती है, मुझे ही करना पड़ेगा कैमरा के साथ, किसी चीज़ के साथ. दैट्स एक्साइटिंग. हाउसफुल 5 में एक मर्डर मिस्ट्री आ गई थी, एक किलर कॉमेडी आ गई थी, तो वो कैसे अचीव कर सकते हो कि आप मर्डर को भी सीरियसली लो लेकिन हंसते रहो. दोनों तरफ से उसको एक बैलेंस करना पड़ता है. सो दोज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स एक्साइट मी.
You know, we also have this segment, special IP, which is called the song story. And song की अगर बात हो रही है, हम लाल परी की बात ना करें अभी तो हो नहीं सकता. So now tell me about song लाल परी. ये गाना कैसे फिल्म में आया था? What was the first thought? और कितना R&D किया गया था इस song?
म्यूज़िक के लिए मैं कभी ज़्यादा R&D करता नहीं हूँ. अगर गाना बजता है, मुझे पसंद आता है, ले लेते हैं, नहीं पसंद आता है तो अगले गाने पे चले जाते हैं. लाल परी इज़ दैट सॉन्ग दैट यू प्ले इट, द मोमेंट यू प्ले इट यू नो कि ये हिट गाना है, मुझे चाहिए. एंड साजिद सर वॉज देयर विथ मी टू बैक इट टू अनदर डिग्री ऑल टुगेदर, वे ही सेड यू वांट, दिस इज अ आउटस्टैंडिंग सॉन्ग, नाउ आस्क मी फॉर वट एवर यू वांट, आई विल गिव इट टू यू. एंड वी गॉट एवरीथिंग. वी हैड द होल स्टार कास्ट इन द सॉन्ग एंड इट्स जस्ट वंडरफुल. सो इट्स
what was the mahal on the sets of the song especially?
On the song, it was amazing because everybody had heard the song and they knew that it was a hit. So they want to be a part of it and they want to enjoy it. And when we shot it also, it was just, आप कैमरा इधर घुमाओ, स्टार खड़ा हुआ है, इधर घुमाओ, स्टार खड़ा हुआ है, पीछे घुमाओ, स्टार खड़ा हुआ है. सो इट वाज इजी फॉर मी टू डू वन शॉट्स, ब्रिंग द होल कास्ट टुगेदर एंड से अभी नाचो, ये सेगमेंट में ये नाच रहा है, ये सेगमेंट में ये नाच रहा है, कैमरा घुमाते रहो. इट वाज ग्रेट फन शूटिंग दैट सॉन्ग. वी हैड द होल कास्ट ऑन सेट हु डिडंट वांट टू गो बैक टू देयर वैन. सो
And talking about another very famous song of yours, Makhna from Drive, you know, वो गाना आज भी चलता है तो people can't stop dancing on that number.
Thank you.
So can you tell us something behind that song?
So when Makhna was, when I thought of Makhna, I had a chat with Tanish Bagchi, and I told him I want this kind of a song and all of that, and he said okay, okay. He literally left from my office, went down to a cafe, sat downstairs, came back 20 minutes later and said, "Bhai, ek gana hai." And he played it to me, and again the same vibe happens. Ki you hear it and you know that this song is great. So immediately I grabbed onto that song, and now I kept thinking is that ये गाना मेरा actually एक beach song होने वाला था. But beach song तो हो चुके हैं, पता नहीं कितनी बार. कितनी बार मैंने खुद किया है, जॉन
दोस्ताना,
इब्राहिम कमिंग आउट ऑफ द वाटर, प्रियंका कमिंग आउट ऑफ द वाटर, अभी इसमें और नया क्या कर सकते हैं. And then I was sitting there, and I think I was on Instagram when I started to look at everyone holding their phones like this. Everything that you just scrolled on was somebody holding a phone like this. And the first thought was, wait, I'm not from this generation, but that's what this generation does. They shoot their own songs, they shoot their own videos. Why aren't my characters those people? And that's how the camera came into their hand, and we sat down quietly. So that entire song उन्होंने शूट किया. उस 3 मिनट गाने के लिए मेरे पास कुछ 18 घंटे का फुटेज था, तो उसको काटने के लिए ही अलग 1 महीना लग गया था, क्योंकि just to summate all that and bring out only 3 minutes worth was the challenge.
So that's how
The song came out.
super hit song came out.
Yeah.
Okay. And how was it shooting on a cruise with such a huge cast, Houseful 5 के लिए?
I think it was one of the best experiences I've ever had, because generally आप जाते हो आउटडोर के लिए और सब लोग एक होटल में रह रहे हैं, फिर आप गाड़ी में बैठते हो, आप लोकेशन पे जाते हो, वहाँ पे शूट होता है, सब लोग वापस चले जाते हैं और अपने अपने कमरों में चले जाते हैं. शिप पे और कोई जगह ही नहीं था जाने के लिए. तो जब पूरी कास्ट, पूरी यूनिट उधर ही रह रही है, आप कहीं पे भी जाओ अपने यूनिट वाले ही मिल रहे हैं हर जगह. बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम फॉर शूटिंग ऑन द शिप वाज कि शिप इतनी बड़ी है कि कभी कभी आप निकलते हो अपने कमरे से और आप ढूंढ रहे हो कि मुझे यहाँ से राइट जाना था, लेफ्ट जाना था, कभी मैं आगे शिप पे पहुँच गया हूँ, शूटिंग पीछे हो रही है, तो फिर मैं भाग के उधर जा रहा हूँ. तो यू आर ऑलमोस्ट ट्रैवलिंग 25,000 स्टेप्स अ डे. यू आर फिनिशिंग जस्ट ट्राइंग टू गो अप एंड डाउन द शिप. किसी का कॉस्ट्यूम चेंज करना हो तो भाई उधर जाओ ऑल द वे. बट द फन पार्ट ऑफ इट इज दैट यू आर ऑल टुगेदर.
Right.
So then moment you say lunch break, this same group gets up and goes to the same dining table lying over there, and everyone eats together and gets up and comes back to shoot together. रात को everyone is mingling and going into somebody else's room. पार्टी वहाँ पे हो रही है, पार्टी वहाँ से शिफ्ट करके डाइनिंग हॉल में हो रही है, डाइनिंग हॉल से शिफ्ट करके सो जाओ, सुबह को वापस डाइनिंग हॉल में ही मिल रहे हैं. So it was almost like you were stuck on that ship, no land anywhere close by for you to say आज मैं उतर जाता हूँ. For all those days that we were on the ship, it was just like you were in a hostel, a boarding school. जैसे कि आप boarding school में हो, हर चीज़ साथ में ही होती है.
Wow. Okay. और यहाँ पे जितने आपके जो एक्टर्स हैं ना, मैं उनके नाम लेने वाली हूँ, and Tarun has to tell me one thing which you love about them. Okay, let's start with Sanjay Dutt.
The most fun person you can have on set.
Akshay Kumar.
Akshay Kumar, by far the most professional, and he is so involved in the film that he is a guide, and at the same time he is somebody who trusts the director blindly. Director ने ये बोल दिया, हाँ ठीक है चलो. And for such a big star you also wonder कि भाई मैं गलत तो नहीं बोल रहा हूँ.
Jacqueline Fernandez.
This is my second film with her.
Yeah.
And one of the finest girls that I've worked with. So professional, so hardworking. आप देखो उनको लाइब्रेरी में how much she works at just her choreography. Forget the scenes. In the scenes also her Hindi has improved so much. She's wonderful to work with, and she laughs all the time. Comedy film में best part is the person who's standing there and laughing at everything.
Yeah.
Everything.
And Jacqueline is actually best at it.
Yes, she's fabulous.
Sonam Bajwa.
Sonam, my first time working with her. She's new to our industry also. But again, somebody who's done many films before. She's done some 30 odd films. So when she came to the thing, she was in that middle space of I've done 30 films, but never any of these. So she accepted it almost like a newcomer and came and said, I don't know Bollywood, for the lack of a better word, Bollywood, but I'm doing it. Now tell me what to do. But इसका experience actually जो है 30 film का is very cleanly seen when she's performing a scene. She's very involved and she knows that even अगर उसका line नहीं है and your eye goes to her, you know she's still fully performing. She's always there for her cues, to give her responses, everything. So wonderfully involved.
Okay. Ritesh Deshmukh.
Ritesh sir, I have known for now, I think since about 15 years. We've known each other, and one of the most fun people you will meet, because he is another one who's cracking jokes all the time. But what I got to see in this one was the directorial side of him. So a lot of times he would tell me about Shivaji, he would be talking, and the vision that he comes with is outstanding. Outstanding. It's like, it really makes you think back and sit down and say कि क्या मैं कर पाता? Shit, he's a very good director. And then you see his other films and you realize, oh रे बाप रे, मैं एक सेट पे हूँ जहाँ पे एक और बड़ा डायरेक्टर बैठा हुआ है. That.
Abhishek Bachchan.
Abhishek and me known each other since we were 16. तो एक अजीब सा एक साइलेंट लैंग्वेज है हम दोनों के बीच में. हम दोनों को बात भी करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है. वो कहीं और होगा, मैं कहीं और होऊंगा, एक कोने से एक दूसरे को देखेंगे और हंसने पड़ेंगे. So वो ऑलरेडी है हमारे साथ, due to which it's so easy to work with him. He loves sulking at times with me. I love sulking with him in return. We are like, in a certain way, on-set husband and wife.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
Don't ask me who's the husband, who's the wife.
Not asking unless until you want to tell us.
No, no.
Nana Patekar.
Nana sir again was the first time I actually even met him. I had, in all these years that I've been working, I never got a chance to work with him or meet him also. And everyone had told me he's very strict. He's very this, he's very that. And I met him, and on the first meeting, he was laughing like a teenager and ended it with, I love you, beta. Big hug. And after that, he was that person. And I kept wondering कि सब लोग ने बोला कि ये डांटते हैं, गुस्सा होते हैं, बहुत strict है set पे. I didn't see anything of that at all. He was there having a blast through the film. It was like he had been houseful. He's more houseful than I can be, which was surprising.
और हाउसफुल की अगर बात हो रही, चंकी पांडे की बात ना हो नहीं सकता.
Of course.
So
Chunky is one of my favoritely annoying people. He loves to stand right behind me like that, and he'll keep whispering dialogues even while I'm watching the shot. Shot is over.
अच्छा.
We are just watching the shot. उसका dialogue खत्म हो चुका है. Now he's adding 4 more dialogues right behind me. But one of those who will do exactly what you tell him. Exactly what you tell him, and he will then take it tenfold higher by bringing pasta to it, because he is pasta.
He is pasta. Okay. Fardeen Khan.
Fardeen, again, somebody I've never known before. I just got to know him during this film, but one of the most hardworking people I've met. He is so involved in the film, in his character, in his lines, in every aspect, making himself look good. He's very focused, wonderfully focused, and if I could pick up anything from him, it would be that determination and that focus that he has.
And lastly, Nargis Fakhri.
Nargis, my laughter challenge. She is like Jacqueline, laughing 24 hours a day, except it's way louder. She is way louder. So anything can happen on set and she is laughing. That's the happy side to her, which I just love. She performs without thinking, which is what is great. So there are different aspects to her character also, which we just start to create on the set and all of that. And she just goes with that flow and makes it so natural that it's just the most fun working with her, because she is just laughing at herself, she's laughing at us, she's laughing at everyone all the time, including Nana sir. She can laugh at him also, and Nana sir loves it because kya hasi hai iski. That's it.
Okay, and now coming back to your debut film Dostana.
Yes.
So tell me, as a director, अगर दोस्ताना की रीमेक बने तो तरुण के हिसाब से किसे कास्ट करना चाहिए, लाइक कौन होना चाहिए उस फिल्म में?
ऑनेस्टली अभी दोस्ताना को 17 साल हो गए. मैंने उसको काफ़ी पीछे छोड़ दिया है, तो आई डोंट इवन थिंक कि अगर रीमेक हो कौन कास्ट होगा कौन कास्ट नहीं होगा. आई स्टिल फील लाइक आई एम मेकिंग ओनली माई थर्ड फिल्म, राइट? सो फॉर मी आई एम नॉट इवन थिंकिंग ऑफ कि मेरी एक फिल्म है जो इतनी पुरानी है जो इसका रीमेक बन सकता है. इन माई हेड दोस्ताना 3 साल पहले थी, अब मैंने फिर ड्राइव बनाई, फिर मैं हाउसफुल बना रहा हूँ, तो वो इतनी पुरानी पिक्चर हुई नहीं है मेरे लिए कि उसका रीमेक बन सके. तो मैं उस वक्त में उस डायरेक्शन में सोचता भी नहीं.
You know, from that film, 2 people, Abhishek Bachchan and Priyanka Chopra, like we also keep seeing on Instagram, जिस तरह से वो comments करते हैं आपके post पे and all. So how close you guys are?
I think Abhishek and me have known each other, as I said, since we were 16 years old, and Priyanka and me got to know each other from Dostana onwards.
Yeah.
The friendship that has existed with Priyanka has gone to a space of what you would call that all-time friendship, which is going to last you for the rest of your life.
Right.
With Abhishek, it's a silent friendship, as I said, जो हमेशा है. I can pick up the phone on him at any point in time. He can pick up the phone on me at any point in time. And that bond that has developed between these two people, it's different in their own ways, but at the same time, it's that friendship that will just go on forever.
And when can we see Tarun directing a film with Priyanka Chopra?
Let's cross our fingers. Hopefully, immediately after this, I will write something that all of them will say yes to.
Wow. We will wait for that.
Yes.
Okay, now coming to, okay, before that, you have to name 3 films or series which you will recommend to our viewers.
Right. I have no idea what to tell you at this point in time because for the last 8 months, I have not turned on a television. So I don't even know what is new out there. So I will tell you, please watch Dostana, please watch Drive, and definitely watch Houseful 5. Those are my 3 recommendations.
No series, nothing you have.
I have not had the time to turn on a TV. I go home and I literally sit down, I finish dinner and I sleep. I get whatever time I can to get sleep. Other than that, I have not had the chance to watch anything.
Okay, ठीक है, चलो आपको माफ किया, हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. And this is called, the segment is called the picture story.
Right.
पहली पिक्चर जो मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ. Also, funny caption अगर इस पिक्चर को देना होगा तो तरुण क्या देने वाले हैं ये बताओ मुझे.
Alright, this is my associate director Stuti Khanna. She's been with me since Drive. And this was during the shoot, I think, of an ad.
But talking about this picture especially because focus is on you.
On me. The focus is on my Instagram. Mera ye focus hoga na yaar.
Of course.
So this time we were shooting at one church, which was an abandoned church, I remember, and they had this chair lying there. And everyone, all my assistants always tell me, like I keep saying कि मैं तो कितना अच्छा director हूँ. I never shout at y'all, I never scream, I never rude and all of that. And every time I say that, my assistants just quietly look at me with glaring eyes. That you are actually a screamer, shouter, you constantly are telling us grumpy and all of that. They call me all these things. So when they told me that, I said, now come, I will show you what grumpy is. And I sat down on that chair and said, now, let me be the slayer. So that's what that photograph was.
Okay. And now this one, this picture.
Which one is this? Yes, my amazing memory from Dostana. This was after the scene where the 3 of them are sitting on a bench and having a beer. And we were on the water side over there, and that's when we clicked this picture. I think that shot in itself established the film for me. So that's why it's a very core memory for me. कि उस वक्त तीनों बैठे हुए थे. It's a silent, it's a part of the song. 3 of them are just silently sitting on a bench, having a beer, not even looking at each other, looking away here, there. And that's what friendship is. हर असली दोस्ती के लिए, you don't have to have conversation every day. More often than not, we can be sitting together. I'll be on my phone, he'll be on his phone, or she'll be on her phone. And it's enough. Just being together is enough. And that's why this for me is a very... And of course, there's Mickey Contractor in it, who's been virtually like a father figure to me from the time I was an assistant in Kuch Kuch Hota Hai.
This one?
This is the Lamborghini from Big Boys Toys. They had sent us these cars. And problem happened is that when we had put the stunt driver into the car, he suddenly asked us कि इसको on कैसे करते. And that's when we realized कि अभी ये तो problem होने वाला है. So of course I got into the driver's seat and I started doing the stunts. At which point I remember this shot exactly because I got into the car, did the stunt with the car. Then I had to get out, go running to the monitor to see my own shot, whether I had done it correctly or not. Said one more and came back.
Okay.
Yeah.
And matlab memory. What memory,
Yeah,
Tarun? Yeah.
But these photographs are bringing up those memories.
Okay. And the last one, 5th picture.
Yes. Now this I don't remember when it was. When is it saying it was? कुछ तो होगा ना?
हाँ, ये
अच्छा, ये
काफी वहाँ पे week लिखा है कितने
अरे
weeks
बाप
पहले.
रे, 435 weeks ago.
Yeah.
No, I am too old to remember what all was happening also at this time. Definitely it's at some party. Everyone is there. Karan Malhotra is there, Diya is there, Priyanka is there, Puneet, Manish and Sushant, me and Karan's wife Ekta.
I think Priyanka is also there.
Priyanka's also there. She's right there. I just don't know when this was.
Oh, okay.
But if I go by my hairline and the fact that I did not have a beard then, this is around 2012 or 14. No idea.
Okay.
Somebody's party.
Okay. Chalo. Okay, Tarun, that was lovely and great chatting with you, and all the best for Houseful 5.
Thank you very much, and we hope everyone watches it and enjoys it as much as we have enjoyed making this film. We look forward to entertaining you all more.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.